Workbook 2024. See, shout out to having video sponsors. They gave me the idea. They said they had workbooks. I came out with a workbook too. I was inspired. I wasn't hating. I was just following the motherfucking lead that they set. They said, hey, we got workbooks. I came out with a workbook. Then I'm doing homework this year. You see how it works? You see what I'm saying? You be putting it in, put it in. There's work to be done, in other words. Thumbs up to the work. You see that? It's right there on the screen for you. Go ahead, screenshot it. I got you. I'll hold you down for about 4, 3, 2, and he hit play.
Strategies to craft your grocery list like a seasoned hero. Which means you now have a playbook to even track your weekly meals like a true
Poppin'
champion.
seeds by guy. What up, though?
And engage in mind-bending nutritional education with word searches that will keep your family entertained and informed. So, are you ready to join the ranks of the superfood parents? Are you prepared to unleash the power of faith and make every meal a heroic endeavor? If so, flip the page of the Superfood Playbook and let's begin your journey to becoming the ultimate superfood hero.
To become a sponsor, just visit superfoodparents.com.
You ain't even a guest no more.
Yeah,
They be here, bro.
Yeah, you family, man.
Yeah, they here.
I told you we gonna bring you in quarterly to make sure all our investments are up to par. Get some insider information. That's illegal. I mean, we're gonna get some tips and some pointers. Yeah, no insider information.
I got quiet on that. Inside the trade. I don't know shit.
Nah, they like Martha Stewart up for that. White women can't get away with it. Nobody can.
What did he say?
She had some friends who told her some shit one night at a party, and she moved some money around, and she wasn't supposed to do that.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Just lose the money like everybody else.
Made more money after that too. She went crazy.
Stay there.
Love her, bro. She's so freaky.
What?
How you know?
She freaky though. You didn't see the post where she was talking about how they came and installed her pool. Oh, this shit legendary. It don't sound nothing like no goddamn.
More fun being rich and on the street, bro. It's a lot of shit to do, so I look at it like they got more gangsters in the stock market. They got more gangsters in government than gangsters on the street.
Right.
They just got more information than us.
Just like Chico said,
We just don't got the information. And so if we learn how to play that game, I use it the same way as I use the streets. And so what happens is once I started making money, I was like, oh, they don't really got, they're not really smarter than me. They just got information. So the goal for me was to just go get some more information. And when you come from the street, you ain't scared to lose no money.
Right.
That shit come with the game.
So when you say earlier, when you don't believe in what Google said, how do you get your information on that is false information out there?
So I don't really go to Google for information. I go straight to the source. I go straight to them. So we gotta stop being scared to read too.
Step into a world few have explored, a place where tradition collides with an unexpected twist. Picture this, the simplicity of Amish life blending with the thriving cannabis industry. Yeah, you heard that right. The same community, known for horse-drawn buggies and handcrafted barns, is turning heads with their unique, high-quality cannabis strains. Curious? Buckle up, because today we're uncovering the fascinating story behind this unlikely partnership. Get ready for some jaw-dropping revelations. Imagine a community steeped in centuries of tradition, untouched by the rush of modern life. Your mind likely goes straight to the Amish. Arriving in North America in the 18th century, they've spent generations living simply away from the noise of contemporary society.
That's
Tucked into the
crazy. Lisa
picturesque
J, what's
countryside of
good?
Pennsylvania,
Good to see you. Hopefully
Ohio,
you're
and
doing
Indiana,
good.
their lives
Having a great
revolve
week.
around family,
Seen all the videos.
faith,
You know, I've been
and
in the
farming,
comments on
a
both
timeless
channels.
harmony of values. Known for their
Surprised Spider Pig
craftsmanship
ain't
and
got you in his
unparalleled farming
algorithm yet,
skills,
but I'll make
the
sure you
Amish
got
have
you too.
long
So
been
shout out to
celebrated
the
as
trio.
masters of the land. But here's a curveball you might not expect.
You know, we
Cannabis
like this
cultivation.
port.
Yeah, you heard that right. While the Amish are famous for their baked goods, furniture, and thriving crops, their age-old farming expertise has quietly expanded to include marijuana. With a deep understanding of crop rotation, natural fertilizers, and the rhythm of the seasons, they cultivate toxin-free, high-quality harvests, setting a new standard in agriculture-based industries. So, how did one of the most traditional communities in